Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I'm being away for a few weeks. I was in a transition of moving from one shop to another one. This is a full auto repair shop, so no more body work, which involves, accidents, so on. So probably I will be recording a lot more diagnoses than what I was doing before, which is great. I hope you guys like the new content, and I'm sorry again for being away for a few weeks. This is a 2012 BMW 128i. It has a very common oil housing leak, so I already removed, which is very easy for repair. The reason of this video is most for telling you that I'm back in the video recording and uploading more content. As you guys see me before, I like to keep everything nice and clean. I keep always all the parts and all the bolts very close to me. So this is my bay area. You remember my toolbox. So right now I have a little more room, and I have a lift that I work. This is the shop that I work now. So again, I will be uploading more videos constantly now, and I also want to give you the heads up that I have another YouTube channel, and that one is for iPhones and laptop repairs that I do on the side. I've been doing that since 2005 or so, probably even before that, and that is a thing that I love to do. So I will put a link on the description for this one. If you guys like to, sorry for the noise, if you guys like to subscribe to that channel, I will be very pleased for you guys to do that too. So thank you so much, and this is just a short video to say hi. Stay in touch.